Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to lights up screen for new notifications in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. When your phone screen is locked, if you have received any new notifications, your notifications that is your screen will wake up and lights up. Okay, so see, I did not activate it, but how it looks like before. Okay, so before activating, and if you have received any new notifications, only you will have the notification sound and the screen is still blank. Okay, so if you would like to get your screen wake up and lights up, yes, you can do it. What you have to do, just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings. Go to settings and here select notifications and status bar, and here click on more settings and select first option, wake screen for notifications. When the screen is dark, that is your screen is locked, it lights up automatically for new notifications. Just to turn on this button. Now check, I have locked my phone, and if I have received any new notifications, it will be showing. See here. I have received new notifications and screen is automatically waked up and lights up. Okay, so I have received a new message. Okay, so in this way you can easily make your screen wake up and light up screen for new notifications. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.